Pampering 101. Understanding the delicate art of indulgence. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into a word that describes a feeling of luxury, relaxation, and indulgence. That word is pamper. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and the context in which it appears. Let's get started. Pamper is a verb that describes the action of treating someone with extreme care and attention, often to make them feel relaxed, comfortable, or spoiled. Imagine giving someone a special treat, like a day at a spa or a surprise gift on a regular day, just because. Pampering usually implies going above and beyond usual care. Understanding a word is always easier with examples. Let's see how pamper is used in sentences. 1. On her birthday, Jenna was pampered by her friends with a surprise trip to a luxury spa. 2. Parents often pamper their children with toys and treats. 3. After a long week at work, Mark likes to pamper himself by getting a massage. From these examples, you can see that pamper can be used to describe treating oneself or someone else in a special, indulgent manner. Sometimes, it's useful to know words that have a similar meaning. Here are some synonyms for pamper: indulge, spoil, coddle, baby, treat. For example, you could say, she loves to indulge her cat with gourmet food. It has a similar meaning as saying, she loves to pamper her cat with gourmet food. Just for balance, let's also look at the opposite, or antonym, of pamper. One common antonym is neglect. While to pamper means to give excessive care and attention, to neglect means to fail in giving proper care and attention. So, there you have it. Pamper is all about treating someone, or yourself, with an extra dose of love, attention, and luxury. We hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about communicating. It's also about expressing feelings and nuances. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.